Hi, my name is Oisín. I've been a bartender here at Black Pearl for the last 3 years. We're a friendly neighbourhood cocktail bar located in the middle of Fitzroy. We've also been very fortunate to receive some global recognition as one of the world's leading cocktail bars. At Black Pearl, we welcome people in at 5 p.m. and wave goodbye at 3 a.m. So with that comes people from all walks of life. The pre-dinner crowd, after dinner, and then the late night crowd as well. Over the bar, we've noticed the increase in demand for non-alcoholic options. And at Black Pearl, we like to put as much effort into our non-alcoholic options as well as our alcoholic range. So that can be as simple as like a highball or something a little bit more complex, like the Tomatillo Spritz. Today I'll be making the Tomatillo Spritz, a little savory kind of spritz number that we put together. Building off a base of tomato, we've lacto-fermented that, give it this sour, sweet, savory kind of touch. And then building on that, we still use a little bit of lemon to bolster up the acidity, a touch of honey just for that sweetness, and a little bit of ginger for the heat through the back of it. Then at the forefront, we use LYRE'S. Using like bitter Barolo orange, brings out the bright, vibrant freshness of the tomato as well. And this spritz is savory, delicious, and can be enjoyed anywhere.